Hello, and welcome to How to YouTube Like Gearhead Tour. You've come to the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, and you'll get notified anytime we have new content. Today, we're going to show you how to upload your first video, and we're going to get to it right now. Today, we're going to show you how to upload your first YouTube video, and all we have to do is go to the screen. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, you're going to want to come to your channel. Now, we have not set up our channel, so of course this one's very plain looking. And you can notice right here, we haven't uploaded a video yet, so there's actually this upload video button right in the middle. Again, you can come up to YouTube Studio, and you'll notice that inside the YouTube Studio, there's also this create button. So I want you to go ahead and hit that create button, and you can see it says upload video. Now, you'll also notice that you can see that little symbol right over here, right there. You can use this button as a shortcut. But we're going to go ahead and click upload video, and it's going to give us this prompt. Now, we've created the video already here on my computer and stored it in a file. Some programs, the one we use, you can actually output the file directly to YouTube. When you hit the button, it exports it out and it comes in and loads into YouTube. But for our purposes here, I'm going to show you how to load up a video that's been saved on your hard drive, or say it's on your phone, and you just upload that video. So you can drag and drop the files, or you can select. I'll just go ahead and hit select, and here it is, how to create a YouTube channel. We're going to click on that and we'll hit open. Here's where we can enter our titles, descriptions, thumbnail, and any other information that we want to add. So here we'll just type in a title, something that uses some good long keyword phrases, how to create a YouTube channel in 2020, step-by-step instructions for creation. I guess I should probably capitalize those words. And then here in the description area, we're going to change this description to fit this video. Now, once you've typed in your description, you can go down, see if you want to add this to a playlist. Now, I've already created a playlist. I'll make a short video that shows you how to do that. But since I've already made one, I've got one here called YouTube Tips and Tricks. So you just select that, click Done. No, this is not made for kids. We can go on and hit Next. Now, do we want to add an end screen? Well, yes, we do. Now, here on this page, the Video Elements page, it gives you the options to add an end screen or to add cards. Now, we're actually going to come back and do this later, so I'm going to skip that step for now. We'll have another video on how to do that. I'll put a link in the description for you. Here on visibility, this is where we choose, do we want to make it public, private, unlisted? And for these purposes, I don't want this to go straight out to the public. I want to be able to do some editing to the video once it's uploaded before it goes public. So I'm going to click on private. Now, if you wanted to select a date to schedule your video, maybe you don't want to publish it today, maybe you want to publish it, every Friday, and you've already got it made, or you've got several weeks of videos made, you could go on and click here and select the date and time when you wanted to have that video appear. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit save. So the video is uploading. It says here 7%, 1 hour left. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pause this video, and then once it's finished, we'll take a look at the clock and I'll let you know how long did it actually take to upload. The video did take just over 1 hour to upload, and now that it's here, we can come in, we can go to YouTube Studio. Often after you upload a video, it'll show up right here on your dashboard. Now, this one's just been uploaded for a few minutes, so it hasn't populated this screen yet. But if we go down to videos, we should be able to see it there, and here it is. Okay, now we can go in and you can use this little pencil to go in and edit the details. This is your analytics, these are your comments, and this is if you want to watch the video on YouTube. But we want to edit, so we'll go here where it says details, and here's all the information we put in before. We're going to add a custom thumbnail, and we're going to add an end screen. In order to add the end screen, we click here where it says end screen. You can see that the end of our video is shown here in this little timeline. And these little templates can be used to drop on top of your video and create what's called an end screen. An end screen is used in order to entice the viewer into watching another video on your channel or subscribing to your channel. you can actually have a square placed in here that would send someone to, say, another person's YouTube or to a website. That's all possible. You can see here that I made a template within my video on Final Cut Pro that has space for a subscribe button and 2 video windows. I'm going to go over and I'm going to use this 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 subscribe template. And I'm not actually going to use a playlist. I'm going to put 2 videos and 1 subscribe, but you can use this template because you can see it has 2 squares and 1 circle. So I'm just going to take that and lay it on top. Just drag it over there. So we're going to select this by double clicking. It's now added that information to our end screen. Now this square is a picture of our profile. We haven't uploaded a profile picture yet, so it just has this big green H. But that will change once we upload a profile picture. So you can take this profile and you can just drag it over, and I'm going to drop it right on top of that circle I made. Our profile will show up just above this text where I wrote subscribe. When the person is watching the video at the end and their mouse hovers over top of this, it will actually pop up and say subscribe to this channel. Now these 2 boxes here, and you can see in my template, I made them the exact right size that they would need to be. And what we can do is we can choose what to put in here. This one, you'll notice, already says best video for viewer. Now you can say, I want to see my most recent upload, the best for the viewer, or you can choose a specific video. For either square, right now, we don't have a lot of choice because this is our only video that's been uploaded. So we can't really add anything to our end screen. So later, once we've uploaded another video or 2 videos, we'll come back and we'll populate these screens with the videos we want to be there. For now, I'll just go ahead and click on both and we'll edit. We'll click in here and we'll choose our YouTube tips and tricks, and that will populate this square. Now, before we come back and make our custom thumbnail, let's go ahead and watch the video just at the end where the end screen is. So I'll click on the link. We'll just forward to where the end screen begins and we'll push play. See you next time. Hey Ginger, could you not sing? Thanks. Now you can see here it says the video is unavailable. And this is because we don't have any other videos. We're going to show you everything that... Are you kidding me? She just flushed the toilet. Okay, let's pause for just a moment. Now, I could also see that and here you see when you hover, this How to YouTube subscribe button pops up. So that's everything we want. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I noticed that within the screen, this position was just slightly off. So I'm going to move it just a little, see if I can improve that a little. And if you hit the Shift key, it actually gives you a little more control while moving it. So, still not perfect. It doesn't look too bad. And again, when you hover, the How to YouTube subscribe button comes up. We can use that to subscribe. We're going to change this to an actual image instead of this big green H. And as we add more videos, these will populate with a video preview in this square. If you're viewing this video, be sure to check out the description and look for the link on how to create a custom thumbnail for your video. We're going to come back and we're going to do another short video on how to upload a custom thumbnail and sort of some best practices of what you should do when creating a thumbnail for your page. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell and you'll get notified anytime there's new content. Be sure to click the subscribe button. Nope, no good. Today we're going to talk about uploading. That's going to be take 4. Be sure to check out the links in our description below. Remember,